If Figma is showing error 101, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into your designs as fast as possible. This issue is usually caused by a network problem, a blocked connection, a VPN or proxy conflict, or even a cached app issue. So we'll go through each fix in order, starting with the simplest one first. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Alright, let's get started. First, check your internet connection. The easiest way to test this is to restart your Wi-Fi router and then try opening Figma again. If you're on a restricted network such as school, office, or public Wi-Fi, it might be blocking the app. A great way to test that is by switching to a mobile hotspot and seeing if Figma loads properly. If it works on hotspot, then the issue is most likely with your regular network and not Figma itself. Next, disable any VPN or proxy that you may have running. Figma needs a stable direct connection, and VPNs, proxy servers, and some antivirus tools can interfere with that connection. So turn off your VPN, disable any proxy settings, and if you have security software with strict web filtering, try pausing it temporarily just to test whether Figma starts working. After that, check whether port 443 is open on your network. Figma relies on secure web traffic through port 443, and if your company firewall or network rules are blocking it, the app may fail to connect. If you're on a work network, you may need to ask your IT team to allow secure traffic through that port. If you're at home, restarting your router or testing on a different network can help you confirm whether the port or firewall is the issue. Now let's clear out any temporary cache problems. Sometimes the Figma desktop app gets stuck because of corrupted cached data. Close Figma completely and reopen it first. If that does not help, try clearing your browser data if you are using Figma in a browser, or reinstalling the desktop app if the problem continues. Cached files can prevent the app from loading correctly, so this step often fixes connection-related errors that keep repeating. The next thing to try is opening Figma in a browser instead of the desktop app. Use Chrome or Firefox and sign in to your Figma account there. If Figma works in the browser but not in the desktop app, then the issue is likely local to the app installation, its cache, or a desktop-specific network setting. That gives you a clear clue about where to focus next. If none of those steps fix the problem, try combining them. For example, use a browser, disable VPN, and test on a different network all at once so you can narrow down the cause faster. Usually, one of these simple checks will resolve Figma error 101 without needing anything complicated. And that's it. You've now gone through the main fixes for Figma error 101, including checking your internet, disabling VPN and proxy tools, verifying port 443, clearing cache, and testing the browser version. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy fixes for your favorite design and productivity tools.